ibharabha. Hey, I'm just checking you guys. What's in the writing? Nishap, Nimoja, Niparara, hamba kwethu, sanibuyela emsebenzini. Yonke into iyahamba kahle. Hey, kulo 2026 Nishap. Zumbarabara, 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 zumbarabara ibharabha. Bafowethu, kanti nikuphi? Angikwazi ukunganiboni ngo-2025, 2026. Nikuphi? Are you okay? Hololo, 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 hololo. Bafowethu, ngenza wethu, maphakaniya, awumtawunke, sandawana, awu amaSulu. Nikuphi kanti? Hololo, 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 hololo ibharabha. Uyabona soyivala uthi ibharabha. Are you okay kodwa guys? Are you okay? Tell me, talk to me. No man, talk to me man. Are you okay? Are you? Kulo nyaka lo, are you okay? Are you? Uzomelana nalo nyaka? Uzomelana nawo? Yeah, unawo amandla okumelana nalo nyaka? Yeah? Hayi man. Ibharabha.